All right, welcome back. And now we're going to talk about solving for specified variables. So there are going to be times where you're going to be asked to take a formula or take an equation, solve for a specific variable. So for example, if we look at this, we have this formula. This is actually the formula for a right cone. Okay, so it's basically 1/3 of a cylinder. So this is the volume of a cone. So the radius, r is the radius, so it makes sense that the radius has to be bigger than 0. So they want you to solve for the variable r. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that we want to move everything to one side of the equal sign except for r. Okay, so we want to solve for r. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide everything, right? So multiply everything by 3. So we'll get 3v equals pi r squared h. And then we're going to divide both sides by pi h. Right? And so that gives us, now I'm going to flip the equal sign here. So that gives us r squared. So this will cancel, right? And so now we get r squared equals 3v over pi h. And now we're going to take the square root of r. And so r equals plus or minus the square root of 3v over pi h. Now, in this particular situation, we will not, the negative sign doesn't matter. Can't have a negative radius, right? Because it has to be greater than 0. So we would just ignore the negative in this particular case, right? So it would just be the square root of 3v over pi h. And that would be our final answer for solving for r. All right, we'll do another example in the next video.